Purple subject. And man in there. Okay. တယောက်တည်းမဟုတ်တော့ဘူးသူဒီနှစ်ယောက်ဖြစ်သွားပြီဆိုတော့အဲ့ဒီဟာတွေအကုန်လုံးဒီ purple subject ဖြစ်သွားပြီအဲ့တော့တို့တွေအရှိမရော singular နဲ့ plural subject လေးတွေလေ့လာခဲ့ပြီးပြီဟုတ်တယ်နော် we have learned about a singular subject and plural subject. Okay. So to become a purple subject we need and or. For example, mother and dad, mother or dad, right? So
Yes.
we need to put and or and or no. Or this word. This words are a different part of speech or conjunction. We already know that. And or and or no. What kind of conjunction?
Front voice.
Yeah, from voice we go.
Compound sentences.
For compound sentences, this we go. What kind of conjunction? Ami conjunction. What type of conjunction? We have subordinated conjunction and coordinated conjunction, right? And or and or no.
Subordinated conjunction.
These are coordinated conjunction.
Coordinated conjunction.
You almost forget, huh? You almost forget. So this was get joined with subject, verbs, adjective, phrase, sometimes entire sentences. Look at this. Mark in there come to all my little league game. In this Sunday, tell me about subject. My and dad come to all
my little language sentence games.
Do you think to all my little league game is subject?
No, Moma, that is subject, and come to all my little language games is no. Moma, that is subject, and cam is buff.
Yeah, this is subject, right? This subject we go one person or two people.
Two people.
Two people, not only one. This is we go about subject. I mean, this is not language. This is we go league, champion league. You know, champion league, Premier League. This is we go league, not language. Read. Look at it. Underline the two parts of the about subject in each sentence in Subject-verb. Can you do that for me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. The players or the coach is about subject, right? By the way, the coach is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. So singular subject need singular verb both to put s. And neither my aunt or my cousin. Look at my cousin. Is that singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. So singular. No, cousin.
Plural.
Plural. So plural subject need
plural verb.
Plural verb. Got it. Okay. In the following sentence, underline the correct verb. Read or reads. For you, what kind of verb we need? You follow plural subject, plural verb, or plural singular verb or plural verb. You follow?
Read.
Why would you need singular verb or plural verb?
Plural verb.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, next sentence. Either Alison or I have to take, oh, sorry. Either you or Dad read or reads the story to us. What about this sentence? Correct. Dad is singular subject or plural subject?
Singular subject.
So singular subject needs singular verb, R-E-A-D-S phrase. Next, underline the two parts of the compound subject in this sentence and circle the verb. Correct. I is singular or plural subject?
Singular subject.
I.
Plural. Singular. It is singular subject.
Yeah, but I follow.
Um.
I follow.
I follow plural verb.
Plural verb. But remember, I is plural pronoun, right?
Yes.
I is pronoun. I subject, I is subject, I is pronoun. And also I is plural pronoun. That is why we need plural verb. Got it?
Yes, sir.
ရောက်တယ်တော့ဟုတ်တယ်ဒါပေမဲ့သူဒီ plural pronoun ဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်သူ့ရဲ့အနောက်မှာပါတဲ့ verb ဒီ plural verb ဖြစ်ရမှာတကယ်လို့ဒီမှာ I မပါဘဲနဲ့ either Alison လို့ရေးထားရဲ့အဲ့ဒီ subject နေရာမှာ HAV တဲ့နေရာမှာပါဖြစ်ရမှာ
Has.
has now your turn write it out the answer in your notebook
Already finished, sir.
number one answer is
Enjoys.
yep number two
Have or is.
has or have number two
HAVE.
HAV number three
Or.
really what about number four
No. Number 4 is.
why
I don't know, just write is.
four in spring fruit in food but two word right two what
Okay, so or.
yeah got it interrupter